Hello, friends, and welcome to this gentle yoga flow. It's a full body routine for all levels to help you give your body what it needs to relax and unwind. When you're ready, we begin lying down on our backs. So you may want to keep the knees up if you want to. If your lower back is a bit sore, it may be better. Or extend your legs in Shavasana, whichever. Palms of the hands are up, your eyes are closed, and for a few moments we will turn our attention to our breath. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and a slow breath out through the nose as well. And continue deepening your breathing as you allow the body to soften and sink into the earth. Release the muscles in your face. Allow the shoulders to weigh heavy into the floor. Keep your belly soft to allow it rise and fall with each breath. Next exhale, you will hug your knees into your chest and take a gentle rock side to side. You may stay knees together or apart. Or if it's within your reach, you can go to happy baby, catching the outer edge of your feet and pulling them down to bring the knees towards the armpits. Wherever you are, massage your lower back and your lumbar spine onto the floor. If you're in happy baby, release the feet. And then you will keep your knees into your chest and open your arms out to the side, either in a T shape, palms down, or in cactus shape. Both options, shoulders are grounded. You may want to use a cushion to place underneath your legs as you move your hips and legs to the left and keep your right shoulder grounded. Wherever it feels good for you to rest, please stay there. And then do not move. Do your best to just stay still and release with each exhale a little bit more. With your next breath in, you're going to lift your knees back up to center. And with the exhale, with control, you move to the other side. Guide yourself into the twist and adjust accordingly, whether you need support or don't force your twist. Just find a place where you can relax and let go. With your next breath in, lift your knees back up to the chest and then place your feet down into the mat behind your hips and come up to a seated position. You will turn to face the long side of your mat and keep your right knee bent with your right foot close to you. And with both buttocks grounded, you open your left leg out to the side, activating it. So it's strong and firm. Turn the chest to the bent knee and then lean towards your extended leg, reaching for the leg with your bottom hand and extending through the upper arm. So you feel that stretch from the buttocks to the fingertips. Your shoulders are away from your neck. Your face and chest are turning up towards the ceiling. If it's too much, you can hold your head with your bottom hand as well, bending the elbow. So you choose what feels most adjusted to your sensations. One more breath. And then come back up slowly and switch legs. So bend the left leg, open the right, both sit bones ground. It's very important that you don't have your right sit bone up. Extend your right leg strongly and firmly. Right arm along the right leg. Inhale, left arm along the face and beyond the head. Ground your left sit bone as you reach far with your left hand. Turn the chest face up. And the bottom arm, remember, can support your head if it feels better. Might feel too much of a struggle if you don't. Wherever you are, try your best to feel relaxed and allow the body to extend and open. And let's sit back up and straighten your left leg. Now you keep both knees, you open your left leg and you bend both knees. With your feet on the floor and your hands behind, you will drop your knees sideways, one side and then the other. So usually when we do that, we have the feet a little closer to one another. This time it's wide stance. Next time, oh, that feels good. I'll do one more. It does feel good. So next time the legs fall to your left, your pose, you have about 290-degree angle with your legs. You can stay seated upright like this with your hands holding and supporting you. With your feet and legs pressing the floor, you see, it's always active. You can also go onto your elbows. There's no better way. It's just what feels the right place for you to be today. So choose wisely and then release the face. Watch your breath. Make sure you breathe deeply. Deep, long inhale that you feel all the way down to the bottom of your back, to the lower back. Now let's come back to the hands if you are on your elbows. So you can stay here upright without your hands, or you use maybe your hands to change sides. Readjust your legs to have two right angles. Maybe you want to stay here upright or go to the elbows and breathe. Let's sit back up. Come back to facing the long side of your mat and then choose a comfortable sitting position. Doesn't have to be cross-legged. You can use support like cushion blocks under your buttocks as high as you want. Once you are settled into your sitting position, you will extend the spine, close your eyes if you like, extend your neck, take a deep breath, and then as you drop your head to your right, you will extend your left arm to your left, towards the floor. So it adds some stretch in your neck. And we'll pause here and breathe mindfully. Release your head and arm, and let's change sides, of course. So you drop your head to your left, extend your right arm out towards the floor. With your exhale, just feel how much length you create in the side of your neck. Stay centered. Bring the awareness back to your breath, body sensation back to center, hands on your knees. With your inhale, your shoulders are coming to your ears. And then exhaling, you bring your shoulder blades together in your back and you puff up, your chest. So we do it again. Inhale and exhale. And then we change a little bit the dynamic. So we exhale, rounding the back, looking at the belly. And then we inhale, lift the chest, look up with the chin and eyes, and we go back. Exhale, round. Use your hands to pull yourself there. Inhale, up. You are guided with your own rhythm, your own breathing rhythm. One more time. Inhale. And round with the exhale. Come back to neutral. Now inhale, both arms up. Exhale to your right and place the back of the left hand to the outer edge of the right knee. Push them together. Turn your chest to your right. And then with your right hand behind, you're going to give a little help to the left hand here. We breathe in and extend up, create space in the spine. Breathe out, push with the hands and try and twist a bit more in comfort and no forcing, pushing or aggressiveness. One more. Inhale. Exhale, try and twist. Now we're going to change. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, press the outer edge of your right knee to the back of your right hand. Left knee, right hand, sorry. I'm getting confused here. Sorry. So same to the other side. Inhale, extend, create space in your spine. Visualize the space you create. Exhale, twist. One more. And back to center. Now you're going to lie down on your back and we're going to do a very short Shavasana. So if ever it's getting chilly where you are, please take a blanket before that and cover yourself not to get cold during that time. We're not going to keep it too long though. We're going to extend the legs and the arms together in opposite direction. And then we're going to bring the hands as well as the feet towards the right. So like banana shape, we extend both limbs towards the right. Inhale. Exhale, release and try and bend more. Next time you inhale, you go to center. And then, of course, we do the other side. So we move both legs and arms to the left. And then you breathe in deeply. Keep pulling both ways with legs and arms. One last breath. Inhale, create space. Exhale, release tension. And you will go back to center gently and mindfully. And then bending the knees to your chest. You're going to create a ball with the body. Like bring your forehead to your knees to your forehead. And finally settle in for a few minutes of Shavasana. In Shavasana, adjust the tailbone, tuck it in. to avoid the arching in the back. If your lower back is a little sore, you place support underneath your thighs. And finally, release the legs and arms by your sides, palms up. Bring awareness back to your body. Gently start moving your fingers and toes. Hug your knees into your chest and then roll onto your side. Choose a sitting position of your choice. Sit up straight. Take your time, no rushing. Keep your eyes closed for now. And we will finish by taking a deep breath in and a cleansing breath out. Inhale deeply. Exhale to let it go. Then open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time and energy. I hope you feel relaxed and replenished. Take care and I'll see you next time.